This is what your makeup looks like: dry, textured, separating, and cakey. I'm going to tell you exactly what to do to fix it. I'm a makeup artist for film and television, and I don't have time to wait 4 to 6 weeks for skincare results. If my actor walks in at 3 a.m. and that's what their skin looks like, I need to fix it because they need to be on camera in an hour. So here is exactly what I would do. Step 1, you're going to wash your face with some type of cleanser. This is not a splashing water situation. You're going to use a cleanser, and then you're going to remove the cleanser with a clean washcloth or a biodegradable face towel. E is in the cloth because that is going to help remove any flaky texture on the surface of your skin. Next, hydration in terms of water. You're going to need an essence, hydrating toner. Sometimes what I would do on set is use a sheet mask, send them over to get their hair done, and then they come back to me. After that's done, we're going to seal it in with a good hyaluronic acid serum. We need to lock in all of the hydration, and I mean lock it in. This is with a good moisturizer. This is where the Weleda skin food comes in. This is where the Embryolisse comes in. We don't necessarily use these every day, but we use these as occlusives on the skin that sit well underneath makeup. Now we get into our base routine. Skip the primer. You don't need the primer. In fact, did you know that primer is the leading cost of separation in your base makeup products? Now, the type of foundation also matters. This is not the skin to be putting a powder foundation on, nor is it the skin that you want to put a matte foundation on. And contrary to popular belief, you also don't want to put a dewy, luminous, glowy foundation on. The best foundation when your skin is in this state is to use a satin skin-like finish. This is the type of formula that sits in between the scale of being matte and dewy. It looks exactly the way my skin looks now, just like skin. I'm neither matte nor am I dewy. My skin just looks like skin. If the formula of your foundation is too dry, it is going to pick up on the little lines in between the texture sitting on top of your skin. If it is too dewy and reflective, it will do exactly the same thing. This is obviously the short-term fix for in the moment. Long-term, you want to continue using hydrating products every day, and I will also add in an exfoliating toner into your skincare routine to help with that cell turnover. Sometimes this also happens because you have accelerated cell turnover. For example, maybe you're using tretinoin. That's the case. Washing your face in the morning and removing it with a washcloth is going to help gently remove the dead cells sitting on your skin without adding in any extra chemical exfoliants. Hope this helps.